Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy 50th birthday. We love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Liwa! Wow, you made it in another year. I wish you all the best and enjoy your special day. Sana damo pa nga blessings na maputhay mo ngan good health para iyong ni Tantan. Sana maging matatag ka, anuman mga pagsubok umabot ha iyo nga duha ni Tantan. Adila kami nga imong mga bugto, andam mamati, anuman ti imong mga problema. Again, happy 50th birthday. I love you.
Hi, Mama. Happy birthday. Damo ta ko sa iyakan, pero I don't know how to express everything in words kay parang ka man haakot. O danon. So, adi na lang iyakan. Bisan ano ka pakirayo, Mama. I feel and carry your love in everything I do. Thank you for everything you've done for me, from supporting me, and for making countless sacrifices just to give me and my sisters the best life possible. I hope you know that no matter what the distance, you are my heart and my hero. So, on your birthday today, I hope you receive the best health and all the happiness. You are the most incredible mama I have ever asked for, and I love you endlessly, and I miss you so much, and I hope to see you and Tantan again soon.
Hi auntie, happy 50th birthday. Kanilagos naman ni Manduro auntie. Anyway, today is a very special day and may dako gusto iyakan na I've carried in my heart for a long time. Char, English. When we lost our mom, it was one of the hardest time in our lives. Pero ikaw ang tiwari ko magruha-duha pag sa luha amon. Not because you had to, but because you loved us. Because of you, I was able to go to school and graduate. Yan ang sa nagyap ako nga breadwinner nga nakabulig naghihap pagtaskwela ng pagsuportahan akong mga kabugtuan. Everything that we have achieved started with your sacrifice and unconditional love. You supported us not just financially, but also emotionally. You became our second mother, and you loved us like your own children. Auntie, you are strong, kind, generous, and incredibly loving. I hope you know how truly grateful we are. On your 50th birthday, I wish you good health, happiness, and sana hatanan mo nga gimbulig. Nang padayon nga gimbubulig amon bumalik unta imuhin million times para bongga ba. Charot. Happy birthday, auntie. I love you and please come home na. Nga auntie. PS, pwede na ba ako mag-asawa? Charot la, balito. Balit chat-chat na lang kita partito, auntie ha.
Hello, Ante. Happy 50th birthday, and I hope everything goes great on your very special day, and that you're surrounded by love and happiness, which I know you are. And I just want to let you know that we miss you so much here, and that we can't wait to finally see you again, especially Tantan, who we've always want to meet in person for the longest time, and that we can't wait for that moment. And lastly, I just want to say that I just want you to remember of how much you are loved, and that distance doesn't change that at all. And yeah, we love you very much, and we hope you enjoy every second of your very special day. Happy birthday, Ante.
Hey, Auntie, I hope today makes you smile as much as you make everyone smile around you. May all your dreams and plans continue to come true, and enjoy your special day. That's all.
Happy 50th birthday, Liwa! More blessings, good health, always.
We love you.
We love you po.
Happy birthday, Ante. Many more birthday to come.
Happy birthday, Ante.
Happy birthday, Ante Liwa. Sana tagang kapahin mo pa na panlawas ngan yaray ka pa po hamang sakit. Haray po maging senior. We love you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Liwa. Wishing you lots of love, happiness, and smiles today and always. Love you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Auntie Liwa. How are you? Say happy 50th birthday.
Happy 50th birthday!
Lola Liwa. Say Lola Liwa. Happy 50th birthday.
Happy 50th birthday!
Wish you good health, success, and happiness. Happy birthday. We love you. Say happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday! We love you. Maligayang ating sayong malaman. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Maligayang ating sayong malaman. Happy birthday to you. Naway magpalain na ng buhay naman. Nabigyan ka kanya ng maraming kaarawan. Bigyan ang sa buong buhay. Happy birthday to you. Maligayang ating sayong malaman. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Maligayang ating sayong malaman. Happy birthday to you.
Ay,